Hey guys, Tony here. Alright, so we all know the frustration, slow PC performance. Windows is packed with hidden services running in the background that you don't even need, and guess what? They're taking up your precious RAM, causing your system to drag. In this video, I'll show you 7 background services you can safely turn off to get your PC running faster than ever. But before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on the bell. You don't want to miss out on more cool tips like this. Okay, let's get started. First things first, we need to access the services window. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box, then type services.msc. Hit Enter to open the services menu. Now, telemetry. You've probably heard of it. Microsoft says it collects data to improve your experience. But honestly, do we trust that? I've tested it, and this service eats up a ton of RAM and slows down your system. Here's what to do. Find connected user experiences and telemetry in the list. Right-click it, go to Properties, and deactivate it. Easy fix, and you're already saving memory. Next, let's disable Device Management Wireless Application Protocol. This one's another piece of telemetry junk. Right-click, go to Properties, select Disabled, and hit OK. If you manually keep your software up to date, you don't need the Program Compatibility Assistant running constantly. Right-click on it, click Properties, select Disabled, and hit OK. Simple. Alright, this one's for those of you who don't use Windows Hello, Face or Fingerprint Login. If that's you, turn off Windows Biometric Service. Right-click, Properties, and click Disabled. This one is a bit sneaky. Disabling Windows. Search won't turn off the search function, but it will turn off indexing, which can really bog down your system. Right-click, go to Properties, and deactivate it. Now, for one of my least favorites, Windows Error Reporting. Every time an app crashes, this service wants to send error reports to Microsoft. Guess what? You don't need that slowing you down. Right-click, Properties, Disable, hit OK. For those of you who are power users, Diagnostic Policy Service can be a serious speed killer. I've always found it pretty useless, so here's the move. Right-click, Properties, Disable, and hit OK. Let's go deeper. Open System Configuration to manage even more background services that aren't necessary. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig, hit Enter, and click on the Services tab. Here's my tip. Hide all Microsoft services, that's really important. Then uncheck any non-essential services. If something goes wrong later, you can always re-enable them. And that's it for today's tutorial. 7 services you can turn off to boost your system's performance and get your PC running faster. Quick reminder, restart your PC for these changes to take effect. If you found this helpful, smash that thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to declutter their PC. Also, let me know in the comments, how do you feel about Microsoft collecting data from your PC to improve the experience? Should we be okay with it, or is that a deal breaker? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're always up to date with the latest tips and tricks to make your tech life smoother. Catch you in the next one.